Setting the tremolo bias. Got the signal generator spitting me out 1000 hertz. Going into the input jack, using this little scope here to monitor the signal. There's a little bit of noise on that signal, but it's alright. Comes into the input jack. Then I'm using the probe up here to the yellow white wire. I'm getting 500, cycling 500 and several millivolts in, so I want to adjust that to. That's the emitter of Q3, so this goes out to all the other circuitry, and it comes back here, and it should be at 500. These two should be equal. That's the bias adjustment for these two levels, and that's actually underneath this board here. There's a variable resistor, so I kind of got to stick a screwdriver underneath there. Sometimes I pulled it out, but the screwdriver I have is insulated, so I can get in there and adjust it, and it's really sensitive. It's dancing between 490 and 500. I take the screwdriver, get underneath this board here, and adjust that level. This is a live circuit, and there is some voltage right here. You got your large capacitor, 3900 microfarads, 70 volts DC on here, transformer. So do this at your own caution, of course. 70 volts is sitting right there as well on the red lead, and right here. And it's also right here, and it's on the transistors in the back, on the collectors of the output transistor. So there's voltage everywhere. It's not quite 2 voltage, but go ahead and turn it a little bit so you can see. Again, we're monitoring the base of Q4. So this is the return signal of the tremolo bias. And it's that sensitive, just between 500 and 800. And you just touch it and then boom, it takes off. Okay, there we go. That's probably the best it's going to get. Alright. So now I'll probe Q3 again. And we got 490, 520, 500, Q4.